Before I show you all the things you can do to speed up your site, I want to first say that you don't need a WordPress site to do anything in these first two sections. You're going to see demos done first on a WordPress site, and then either at the end of the video I'm going to show you how to do it on any other type of site, or in the very next lecture. And then I've also provided a list of all these alternatives in the very next lecture, lecture 6. But what I would recommend doing is just continue through the course until you get to lecture 17, even if you're not using WordPress, just so you can see how everything works and what the strategies are all about, and then just go back to lecture 6 once you've gotten to that point. Just to see how to set it up on your particular platform. The reason I do these demos on a WordPress site and then provide the alternatives after is because the majority of people are using WordPress. Something like 50% of people who have a content management system use WordPress. But there's more than 100 different content management systems. There's Joomla, Drupal, Blogger, Squarespace. So I can't possibly set up demos for every single content management system, but I do want to provide alternatives for people just in case they're not using WordPress. If you have any questions about how to set this up or anything you see in the course on your particular platform or site, please just reach out to me in the forum. I'm always available in case you have any questions. But for now, a really simple way to speed up your website and improve your ranking in the search results is to make sure that everything's updated. So plugins on your dashboard, as well as just your dashboard itself. As you'll see here, it says WordPress 4.0 is available. Please update now. Anytime plugins or WordPress puts out an update, it's to make the site run more efficiently and a little bit faster. So if you go to plugins and click add new, before you update your WordPress dashboard, you want to make sure that you back up your website first, because sometimes updates can mess around with the things that you have on your website and you don't want to lose anything. So if you install the BackWP free plugin here, and we just clicked activate plugin, and we searched for BackWP. Really simple. Activate the plugin, and once it's done installing, you're going to see the welcome page here, and it's going to tell you all the different options that it has. And if you go to the first one, you'll see it says set up a backup job. You can also get that in the left settings column here. You click on add a new job. Give it a name: Billy, Johnny, Timmy. Where's backup? And you can back up your database, your files, your plugins. And then you can save it in 4 different types of formats. So you get a choice here. You can send the backup files to your email, to a folder, to Dropbox. Sometimes the email won't accept files that big, so I wouldn't recommend the email option, but you can back up to a folder is what I would do, a folder somewhere on your site, and you'll see that you'll have a new option at the top once you've chosen where to send it to. So we click on to folder, and it'll tell you where it's going. And you can change that to whatever you want, anywhere would be easy for you to find. And then you just click run now. And it usually doesn't take that. I mean, it depends on how big your site is, but it should only take a few minutes. If you have a really small site, like this one is just used as kind of a dummy site for demoing things, 18 seconds. So that's how to back up your WordPress dashboard or your WordPress platform. Once you've backed up your WordPress dashboard or your blog, you are going to want to update your blog if you haven't already. So up at the top, you just click please update now. Update your plugins if you haven't already, and your themes. Just select all of those. You want everything updated. And then click update now. And then you're going to have to log in again to your WordPress dashboard. Type in your password. And that's it. You've updated your plugins and your WordPress blog. And believe it or not, this is a really effective way of making your site load faster.